Are you looking for a powerful, reusable, and budget-friendly tool for cleaning your home? Let's talk about how our Eurow Reusable Micro Wipes are the perfect product for keeping your home clean. Our micro wipes are made with high-quality microfiber that traps dust, absorbs spills, and polishes surfaces without scratching. They clean with just water, meaning you don't have to use chemicals, making it an eco-friendly choice. And unlike paper towels, which tear and leave residue, these microfiber cloths cling to dust and grime. They clean better and reduce waste. The Eurow Reusable Micro Wipes come in a tissue dispenser style box which holds 50 towels. These towels are 12 inches by 12 inches, giving them a lot of surface area for cleaning. They come in colors like blue, white, orange, and yellow, striking the perfect balance between utility and durability. Each wipe is machine washable and reusable, making them incredibly cost effective. Use them for everything from drying dishes to polishing glass and even cleaning electronics. And that's where having a 50-pack is so convenient, because if you don't want to hand wash them, you can let the soil towels pile up and machine wash them when you have enough for a load. Guys, I personally use micro wipes all the time in my home because they are so amazing. So let's check out the kitchen area, which is prone to spills, crumbs, and more. Micro wipes is a handy solution to take care of such quick cleaning needs. Now let's head to the bathroom. The wash and faucet area always gets dirty easily, so grab a micro wipe and quickly do a spot clean if you're in a hurry. Living room mirrors, tabletops, switchboards, car dashboards. Micro wipes can easily be an all-purpose cleaning tool that works like grab, clean, and reuse. They leave no lint, no streaks, no swirls, and no scratches. Another cool thing about our micro wipes is that you can color code them for sensitive areas. You can use blue for the bathroom, orange for the kitchen, and so on. A pack of 50 can last you a few months. Fewer disposable means more sustainability and more money in your pockets. If you want to clean smarter and not harder, be sure to get our micro wipes. The link will be in the description below for our Amazon store and our websites. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Be sure to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.